My silver play button. It says Jessica Carroll for passing 100,000 subscribers.
I mean, rosé all day.
Rosé all day.
All right, quick little recap. My 5 tips to gain subscribers.
I'm so excited, you guys. Look at what came in the mail.
This is a great moment.
All right, let's open it. Ooh, a little handwritten note
You have to frame that.
The CEO of YouTube. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. My silver play button.
Wow, this is beautiful.
It says Jessica Carroll for passing 100,000 subscribers from YouTube.
This is beautiful. Like,
All right.
It really is.
This is all of ours because I could have never got this without you. The reason why I started a YouTube channel was actually a few years back when I worked right here at this office for Diana right after graduating college for Holly Scoop. My first video that like kind of went viral for Holly Scoop was when I reviewed Kylie Jenner's butt cream. And
I remember that.
And that's what motivated me to like review these celebrity endorsed products. So going back and seeing my Holly Scoop video and then my first YouTube video, it's just, it's come full circle. Honestly, you guys, don't wait for that opportunity to come to you. Create your own. Like I always say, don't wait, create. Whatever you want to accomplish or whatever brand or message you want to put out in this world, you can create it and then nothing's holding you back. So
Yes, that's a really good point. Nothing and no one.
Yeah. And it takes a lot of hard work. And you know, yeah, it's great having this plaque, but it's not all about the numbers. What really means the most to me is when you guys comment or reach out, or if I, you know, come clean that I have really bad acne and you're like, me too. Like that's what matters to me. It's not the numbers.
It's the connection you have with your followers and your fans.
So like I said, this is not just my playbook, this is all of ours. We have grown this amazing community and I hope to continue and like you said,
no, this is the start. I feel like this is the start. What do you guys think? Like leave comments. I feel like this is a start. I got rosé for us.
Oh my gosh, she's
to celebrate.
So cute.
Thought it'd be great to celebrate to you know, say cheers to you for many, many more plaques to come.
Oh, thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Because I finally reached 100,000 subscribers, I not only wanted to thank you in this video, but I also want to give you guys some takeaway. So I thought it'd be fun if I shared my 5 simple tips on how to get more subscribers. Tip number 1, the subscribe pop-up link. It's a special URL that you can share with your friends, family, whoever, that when they type it in or click it, a pop-up little box comes up and it encourages them to subscribe before they even enter your channel and check out your great content. Now, would I put this on my website or on, you know, somewhere very public? No, because it's a little too aggressive, a little too pushy for me. I want people to choose to subscribe to my channel if they like what they see. Basically, it's just an easy way to get your friends, family, someone that doesn't really understand YouTube to easily subscribe if they probably wouldn't. Tip number 2 is optimize your videos by using keywords. And there's 4 main places to use keywords: the actual file name, title, description box, and tags. Now let me fill you in on a little secret. I just discovered this. There is a keyword tool. It's a Chrome add-on. It will show you the volume of people searching the keywords. Hello! This has been very helpful because you basically have a tool that shows you what people are searching, how frequently, and what they're not searching that you might think they are, but they're not. So now let me break it down. First things first, when you upload a video, actually put your keywords in the file name. Number 2, the title. That's easy. Number 3, the description box. So the first few words in your description box include your keywords. Very important. And then last but not least, the tags. You want to tag every keyword and what you think people would type in to search that particular video. So optimize your videos using keywords, and trust me, you want to get that keyword tool. It's amazing. Number 3, share, share, share. Do collaborations with influencers and with brands, because that cross promotion is so important. The more people that are blasting out your YouTube videos and the more people that are commenting, liking, subscribing, that is how you get your videos noticed. Also, share your YouTube video directly from YouTube and blast it out to Facebook, Instagram, all those places. Every single social media platform, authentically share your YouTube video. Number 4, own your niche. When you first start a YouTube channel, you want to be the best at your specific topic. When you first start your YouTube channel, have a very specific topic. Don't just say fashion. No, when I started my YouTube channel, I only posted celebrity endorsed product reviews. Why? YouTube is effing huge. Everyone and their dog has a YouTube channel now. So you want to be the master in something very specific. And if you always tag and if you always post about one specific topic, your channel will get higher up because it'll start being noticed for it. And last but not least, number 5, outvalue all of your competitors within your small little niche. How do you do that? Every single video, make sure that your viewers have some takeaway. Another way to outvalue your competitors, be consistent. It's not always about numbers. Don't get discouraged if your views are low or your subscribers are low or whatever. If your audience knows every Thursday at 1 o'clock you put out a video, they will continue to turn back. If you treat your YouTube channel with respect and you're consistent, your audience will do the exact same in return. If you don't show up for them, they're not gonna show up for you. A quick little recap, my 5 tips to gain subscribers are 1, the subscribe pop-up button, 2, optimize with keywords, 3, share, 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 4, own your niche, and 5, outvalue all your competitors. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. Bye.